Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Google Calendar appointment slots. Full guide. Start by opening Google Calendar and selecting the day you want to offer slots. Then click and drag to create a new event and choose appointment slots from the Event Type menu. Set a clear title, duration, and availability times, then save and share the booking page link with invitees to let them reserve a slot. In this video, I will explain how to create Google Calendar appointment slots. Full guide. Click the appointment slot event and choose Edit Details, then specify slot duration, location, and add a description to guide guests on what to expect. Use the More Actions menu to duplicate slots or change visibility, and add buffer time between slots by manually adjusting start and end times to prevent back-to-back bookings and reduce overruns. In this video, I will explain how to create Google Calendar appointment slots. Full guide. Quick recommendation. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, familiar scent that makes car pickups more pleasant when you meet clients on the go, and check the description for the link and other deals. If you like this helpful walkthrough, please subscribe and like the video. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to create Google Calendar appointment slots. Full guide. Copy the appointment page link from the event details and paste it into emails, chat, or your website so people can self-book. Then monitor responses and guest details within each booked event. If you need to cancel or reschedule, update the original slot event and use Notify Guests to send automatic emails so everyone stays informed and prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.